Ready to turn ad form submissions into instant conversations? Let's dive into setting up automated WhatsApp messages after someone fills out your ad form and clicks a button, all powered by Aisensy. First, make sure you have an Aisensy account and it's connected to your WhatsApp business account. We'll start with the ad form. Ensure the submit button or relevant action button on your form has a unique identifier, usually a class or ID in the HTML. This will be crucial for triggering the automation. Now, head over to your Aisensy dashboard, navigate to the integrations or workflow section. We're aiming to set up a webhook or API integration that listens for events from your ad platform. Create a new webhook and grab the unique webhook URL provided by Aisensy in your ad platform settings. Configure the form submission event to trigger this webhook, sending the form data. Along with it, map the form fields like name, email, and phone number to corresponding variables within Aisensy. Next, design your personalized WhatsApp message template within Aisensy. Use the variables you mapped earlier to dynamically insert the user's information, making the message feel personal. For example, "Hi name, thanks for your interest." Link the webhook trigger from the ad form to this WhatsApp message template. This tells Aisensy to send the message whenever a form is submitted and the button is clicked. Finally, test your integration. Fill out the ad form, click the button, and check if you receive the personalized WhatsApp message instantly. This confirms everything is working smoothly. And that's it. Automating WhatsApp messages after ad form submissions is a great way to instantly engage leads, nurture relationships, and boost your conversion rates.